There are three things required for the success of your education business or coaching program. First is the program that you have built. Second is how you generate consistent qualified leads. And the third is how you do sales. So if you have already built a program or you have a program and if you are still struggling to get consistent qualified leads, then I would suggest you to watch this video till the end because this video is going to make a lot of sense. So to generate leads and sales in your business, what you need a system where you can generate consistent qualified leads by being in front of your targeted customers, qualify those peoples, and then when you are there on a call with them, you convert these people. And we call this a marketing and sales funnel. And the funnel which I use to convert the person, where I take this person from awareness, where they don't know anything about your business, to conversion, where they are a paying customer to you, I call it a digital ecosystem. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen so that you can have a look what I'm talking about. And you can implement the same thing in your business and get results. So if you can see my screen over here, this is a simple digital ecosystem that can generate consistent qualified leads for you and convert them into sales. So over here, this is about your product and service or the piece of content that you are going to build as a lead magnet to your end customer, right? So for this particular piece of content or the content that you are going to build over here, you need to generate traffic and invite people for this particular piece of content. Now, if you directly take all the people or invite all the people on this particular piece of content, you are losing them because you are not getting anything from them. Why? Because they are just seeing your content, they're leaving, right? So to give them the access of this particular content, what you're going to do, you are going to give an opt-in where they are going to provide you an email address or phone number, right? So that you can market them in future. So this is a landing page we built before the product service page, where we are going to provide the marketing piece which we have built for our end customers. And on the landing page, we are going to take their email addresses, phone numbers for further marketing purposes, right? And on the landing page, we are going to generate traffic through sources. A lot of sources can be there from where you can generate your targeted traffic. It depends upon what niche you are in, what kind of customers you are targeting. So there are different sources: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, Quora, and a lot of places from where you can generate the traffic from, right? So traffic on the landing page, take their email address, phone number, show them the content, and after the content, if they're interested what you're offering, they're going to book a call with you or with your team. So these people are going to be qualified enough to give you a call and convert for you, right? So this is going to be an inbound lead generation system, which is going to convert so well for you. Now, what happens over here? Not everybody who is going to see your ad is going to come on your landing page. So what we do over here, we retarget these people again and again on different social media platforms, online media platforms. So also, everybody who is visiting your landing page, this person is not going to provide their email address or phone number. So again, here we are going to retarget these people on our marketing channels, be it Facebook, Google, YouTube, wherever you want. Now, once you get their email addresses, what you can do, either there are two different options. One, this person is going to book a call with you. Second, this person is not going to book a call with you. So let's say if this person is booking a call, you are there on the sales call, you are there on the consultation call, you tell them what you're offering and you convert these people, you sell your services, you sell your course. But if this person is not converting, you can nurture this person through email marketing, through WhatsApp marketing and whatnot, depending upon what all systems that are there in front of you. Now, how the digital ecosystem works. So we take the person from awareness, where they don't know anything about the product you're selling, the course that you have built. We generate interest by showing our ad, by showing our content, piece of content, and generate a desire in them so that they can book a call with you and they take action. the desired action that you want them to take for their benefits. And if in the whole system, if they are not converting in any position, what you're going to do, you're going to retarget these people at many different levels. So this is how the digital ecosystem is going to be. So I have used the digital ecosystem with a lot of different edtech platforms, education companies in B2B and B2C, and I help them grow. So this is a tech company. It is actually a service-based company which is helping B2B businesses or big organizations by building 3D modeling educational content for their employees so that they can train their employees within their organization if they are there in the company, in the industry, or in their company at this point of time or not, right? So this is what they have built at Viti Infomedia. So by using the digital ecosystem, I was able to help companies like Viti Infomedia to get consistent clients for their B2B edtech agency who are paying them anywhere between 35,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, which is around $500 to $6,000 per project, right? And I was able to help them to get clients like Volvo, Vega, Mahindra Tech, GEI, NREC, all these people I was able to get. I also helped Brainywood to get high ticket clients and franchise partner who paid anywhere between 40,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, which is anywhere between $600 to $8,000. And I am also able to help them in their B2C marketing to get consistent students for their application which they have built. So this is the same system we have applied over here as the digital ecosystem. I also have attained you a high ticket edtech startup. The company was struggling to optimize their conversion rate and lead cost. So I applied the digital ecosystem and helped the company to get lower CPL. The CPL dropped from rupees 150 to 40, which is one third, and the cost per acquisition dropped from 7.5 thousand rupees to 4,000 rupees, which is approximately half. And I was able to reduce their internal resources which they are using to convert these leads. That means the salespeople. So there were almost 10 to 12 salespeople, and I was able to help them reduce to 3 or 4, right? By building the system. So they were saving a lot of money by applying the system on their marketing. So what happens? The digital ecosystem is a combination of sales and marketing techniques that can generate predictable leads and help you convert more. So let's say you have 0 leads. That means no business. If you don't have any leads, if you're not generating enough leads, you don't have any business at this point of time. Now let's say if you're generating 1,000 unqualified leads, right? You need to hire 20 employees to call them, and the conversion rate is going to be 1 to 2%. Why? Because these are unqualified people for your business. This is the third case where you're only generating 100 qualified leads. You need to hire only 2 employees to call them, and the conversion rate is going to be 10 to 15%, or even more, 30 to 50%, depending upon the business or product or the course that you have built. So you can even improve the conversion rate if you are equipped with the right sales techniques. Also, the more unqualified people means more resources that you have to invest, more employees that you have to hire, more headaches and less profits. That is why the digital ecosystem works so well. You can get the best results when you understand the problem in your marketing system. If you know the problem, definitely you can apply the solution. Doing business without investing in the right marketing system is like finding a black cat in the dark. So you know what you're offering, you know how this is going to help the other person, but nobody else does. So if you are someone who is looking for a system to generate consistent qualified leads and sales for their education or coaching program, you can book a call with me where we will have a friendly discussion. I will understand your concerns. I will understand what your business is, and I will help you put the solution in place. So if you are open to it, you can definitely book a call. There will be a link somewhere around this video. You can click over there, fill out all the questions so that I can understand what your business is, and schedule a call with me. On the call, I'm going to show you how I can help you with the same.